Here's a 67-piece kit. Here's the box it comes in. Comes with a charger, USB-C, and an instruction book. You can see inside, it's got everything in this nice carrying case, so everything has a spot. So it's got a lot of, like, this is like an electric screwdriver. It's got different options for the different speeds or the torques. And it's got a light on the end, which will be pretty handy. And the bits snap in here to the bottom. It's got a manual screwdriver if you need that. Again, everything fits back in. Comes with a suction cup, tweezers, everything you would need for like some microelectronics. Some little pry tools, multiple sizes of that. His brush. And then show you over here. It's got a handful of these. And they all fit back in here. And then you can see all these bits that it has over here. It's got one for pretty much anything you could probably need it for. So I'm going to demo the electric screwdriver on some sunglasses I have, and I think I need this bit here. So it just snaps in. And again, I'll show you here, you can see where it charges. So the USB-C charges it on the top. So I'm going to use the electric screwdrivers to take the screw out of my sunglasses, like if you needed to. So I need some more power because I wasn't doing it. I'm gonna turn the power up. There you go. See, it took this screw out. There, it's kind of hard to see. So now I can work on my sunglasses like I want to, and then when I'm done, you can just put it back. So I took the screw out, so it's got another button to put the screw back in. I'm gonna do that. Use these tweezers. See if I can get this in here. There we go. Those tweezers came in handy. Push it back in. Now it's in. And then when you're done, you can put everything back. Everything will fit back nicely in the case. So the next time you need it, it's there. It's really cool that that everything has a spot, so you can keep everything in the same case, so you know where it is. You can see it's got these clips on the end to keep it shut. So that's it. That's the 67-piece kit.